Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to connect BigQuery to Google Sheets. All right, so first up, sign in with your Google Sheets account. Now, once done, go ahead and open up any data, okay? For example, this one. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to the top, click on Data, and then go ahead and find at the very bottom, we have Data Connectors. Just hover your mouse onto it. Now, click on Connect to BigQuery, okay? Click on it and then click on Get Connected. In here, just go ahead and find your cloud project. If you don't have any project, just go ahead over to your BigQuery account. Select the project right here at the top left. Okay. And then click on New Project. Maybe I'm just going to name it Made for Money. Organization. No org. Create. Right. It says here creating. Just wait for it. Let's select the project right here. Here we have the project name. Just copy it. There you go. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and choose a data set. Okay, for example, this one. Wait for it. Maybe census right here. All codes, then connect. There you go. Just close this one. And here you have your data. Okay, that is basically how you connect your BigQuery to Google Sheets. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.